A grill igniter that clicks but doesn't light is often caused by dirty electrodes, damaged wires, or a faulty ignition module. To address this issue, start by cleaning the electrodes, which are typically ceramic tubes with metal ends. Inspect these components for dirt and debris, and if you find any, turn off the gas supply before proceeding. Dip a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol and use it to clean the metal tip and casing of the electrodes. Allow the electrodes to dry completely. Then inspect them for corrosion. If you notice any corrosion, use sandpaper to clean the area. Once you've completed this step, check to see if the problem persists. If it does, the next step is to examine the wiring. With the gas supply and electrodes disconnected, look for any damaged, cracked, frayed, or loose wires. If you find any damaged wires, you can use electrical tape as a temporary fix. But if the damage is extensive, it's best to replace the wires altogether. If the problem continues after checking the electrodes and wiring, it's likely that the ignition module is faulty and needs to be replaced. To do this, turn off the gas supply, locate the ignition module, and remove it. Before disconnecting the wires, take note of their configuration. Then attach them to the new module and screw it into place. Finally, turn on the gas and test the ignition to ensure it's working properly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a grill igniter that's clicking but not lighting.